Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the Vivo's all new Vivo TWS earphones Neo. Again, these are brand new earphones from Vivo, which were launched yesterday along with the all new Vivo's X50 Pro smartphone. And in this video, I'll be doing a complete detailed unboxing of this package and show you all the features of this little earphone. Again, the one which we have is Moonlight White variant, and this comes with uh, some interesting features as they have been mentioned on the box. So let's first open this up, and while I open this up, let me just quickly tell you the MRP mention on this is around 7,990 rupees, but in reality they would be available at around 6,000 rupees. Again, that's the launch price at which they have been launched in India. So let's open these up and show them to you. Unfortunately, I'm not shooting this video in our studio because everything is under lockdown and we have got a lot of COVID cases around. So we are doing it at a temporary home setup. So here is the Vivo TWS earphone Neo. First thing first, what we get within the box is these reading manuals which give us more details on this product itself. But let's put them on the side and take a look at the primary unit, and this is the all new Vivo's earphone. As you can see, this is a little unit where you can see that this is a very beautifully designed unit, I would say. But let me just put this on the side and first take a look at the other package contents. And there's just one simple Type-C cable which we get within this box. So let's put this on the side and take a clear look at this unit. Again, this is pretty close to what in terms of the finish and the design, it looks clearly similar to the Apple AirPods Pro. So that's one good thing, and this is coming with a Vivo branding, as you can see here. And on once you open this, there is a light which gives us notification. Again, do make a note that these are coming with Bluetooth 5.2 and they come with AI noise cancelling. So, and these are pretty small size, I would say, when I compare this with the Apple AirPod Pro. Pretty much close to Apple the AirPods Pro, and these are not a clone of Apple AirPods Pro, which is a good thing. So these are from the brand Vivo, and this is how they look like this, and they have these charging adapt connectors inside. So with in terms of the battery, they come with around 4.5 hours of battery, but when you use it with this charging cradle, it comes to around 22.5 hours, which is actually very good. And let's now try to pair it. So here we go. Let me just open this up and probably long press. This is how it technically should work, but if it's not, let us go to the Bluetooth options and enable Bluetooth. Actually the Bluetooth isn't enabled on the phone itself. So that's again the Vivo's latest smartphone, the Vivo X50 Pro, and it does say that it does show me the alert. So that's one cool thing here. This is pairing, and yes, it's connected, and now it gives me details about the battery life and everything. As you can see on the left earphone, we have around 39%. It's saying the cool interesting graphics are showing up. That's something which is really cool, similar to what we had seen on the Apple AirPods also. And it shows us the battery levels on the left earphone and the right earphone, and additionally we have aptX adaptive support, which gives us high quality audio. And there are a lot of interesting features also, like you also have the option to smart unlock and find the earphones by locating the sound, go there, find the location. So all these things are also available on this option. There's also an option to upgrade the software update in case there's an update of this unit. Actually, for this price, these look very interesting. Let me just start using them for a while and then give you my feedback on what I think about these earphones in terms of the sound quality. So I've been using these earphones for quite a while, and I can tell you that these come with some very interesting features. Like as you can see here, we have the option to increase and reduce the volume. They again come with wear technology, where basically if you're wearing it, then they start playing the music. If not, they would just pause it. So that is also something very interesting. And apart from that, as you can see here, we can also control them through the earphones itself, the music or the calls and everything. So that is something very interesting. And what I also like about these is that it comes with some interesting water resistancy feature, that's IP54 rating, and also it comes with, as I mentioned earlier, in-ear detection, and it also supports Google Assistant and also Find My TWS. That's a feature which I mentioned about earlier. So these are pretty good comfortable earphones. Again, if I talk about comfort, I actually didn't like the ear tips again here, as I always keep saying that any earphone which comes with these kind of silicone heads are actually more convenient to use, are more you would feel more better using these than the plastic heads, because that is only one reason I don't like these earphones. Apart from that, they do look very good, and I wouldn't complain anything as such about these earphones. Yes, they are pretty small size, they are lightweight. Technically speaking, it's they are very lightweight, but the only issue which I had was with the comfort. They are not even falling down from your ear. And also in terms of the bass, I felt the bass was a little lower. I wanted a high, I generally prefer a little higher bass earphone, so that is something which is something you should make a note of. But then again, in terms of latency, the company has promised around 88 ms of latency, which is good enough for playing games and everything. But how practical is it, that can only be known once we start using it in the long term perspective. But again, these are my initial opinions about the latest Vivo's TWS earphones. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below, and I would be happy to answer the same. This was the unboxing of the Vivo's latest Vivo TWS earphone Neo. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed. This is Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.